Hey there, welcome back to Blades and More for a review of this Gerber Swagger drop point folding pocket knife. This is a nice little budget priced model from Gerber. Comes in between maybe $20 and $30 price point. I think Gerber's got it retailed for around $32, but you can get it for less than that. And it's a nice little mid-sized knife. Has a little heft to it, and I think it could be used for some heavier duties like camping, hunting, fishing, utility. Would be good in the woods. It's a nice solid built knife with nice features. Has a black kind of a non-reflective finish, and G10 handle material on the front side of the handle, and on the back side it is stainless steel, black anodized, with sculpturing on the back side and the front side. Nice texturing. Fits my large to extra large hand well. For a mid-sized knife that comes in at 7.55 inches overall length. And the blade length is 3.25 inches with a handle length of 4.3 inches long. And I say it has a little heft because it is 4.4 ounce weight. Has a frame lock. The back side is stainless steel and it's a frame lock. Locks up very nicely. Open back handle design for easy cleaning. There's a couple of black anodized pillars in the butt of the handle. Has heavy jimping on the thumb ramp of the blade with dual ambidextrous thumb studs that allow for very nice opening. The blade is a drop point blade design with a hollow grind and a partially serrated edge with a plain edge on top of that. Has what I might say is a sharpening choil, at least a drop off, that would allow for sharpening on the serrated edge. Has sculpturing and texturing on the mid to top side of the blade with the Gerber logo on the front side, and on the back side has the same. It is a tip down carry design with a larger stainless steel carrying clip that is right hand only carrying. Leaves a little real estate to be seen when carrying it in your pocket with the clip. The centering on the blade on this model is almost perfect. Opens very nicely. See, it comes in at a 4.4 ounce weight. Frame lock, partially serrated blade. Drop point blade design, G10 handle material, sculptured, textured, with a stainless steel frame on the back. Black anodization for low reflectivity, has a lanyard hole. It's just a nice sturdy little piece. I get it. So there we go, everybody. It is the Gerber Swagger folding pocket knife. All right, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you back again soon. All right, bye now.